into the deep end, 'cause I thought I could swim. We break up every weekend.
Dominic, if you could adopt an old lady, what would you name her?
Beatrice.
See you, 'cause I miss you.
Day one in the wilderness. Better drink my own piss. From New Zealand, mate. You know what we call piss in New Zealand? Piss.
I like to do this though. Come here.
Like not even a hike, it's just a walk.
People are like, we have the best bathrooms in the nation. Your mom is nature's bathroom. This is where the Boy Scouts get tickled by their camp counselor. This is where the slow children come to play.
He already made that joke.
I love slow children. I've actually never been to Hot Springs. This might be kind of interesting. They better be good considering we drove like 2 hours to get here.
Ooh, hot water!
Well, to be the cold water, yeah. Dude, what is wrong with me?
You sound like Jimmy from South Park.
Maybe you're one of the slow children at play.
I am one of the slow children. Hey, what's up, guys? That's my dad. Stupid.
Hey, Timmy, do you like fish sticks?
You want to go first? You're probably faster. You just have to whip out your.
Thank you for clarifying. I think I unironically have a fear of these kind of bathrooms.
What about them?
Like looking down into the hole underneath is like legitimately scary to me, and I don't know why.
The shithole?
Yeah. Hey. Calm down.
Are you recording me?
I think so.
It's a nice shot of you pretending you like the dog. Making sure you got the B-roll.
Dominic, you're gonna be famous.
Yay.
I didn't realize it would actually be warm out here.
Good thing we all wore thick jackets and pants. This little opening right here is like how I picture Norway. Like grassy fields like in a mountainside. I think we found him. That's badass, but it's hot as hell. Ooh. God damn it. Yeah, that is too hot to get in, and it smells like pure sulfur. And we're going to the river. It looks beautiful though. I'm glad to finally be out here exploring Idaho. Is this water hot too?
Yeah.
I felt the ones up there with the steam coming off. God damn, dude, it's boiling. It hurt to touch it.
Yeah, you can't sit in this.
Oh! Ow! Oh my god, that's very cold.
No, it's nice. What do you
Ah! Oh, there it is.
There we go. See?
All right. It's nice right here. Oh, there's like cold spots and there's warm spots.
Yeah.
One arm is long.
Oh,
You just drop your phone in the water, is that wrong?
it's a rock.
Oh, it's so soft. Yeah, the river is very, very cold. Is the dog in the water too?
Yeah.
Ready?
Two, then magic.
I mean, I guess I technically have 2 of them already.
I dove into the deep end, 'cause I thought I could swim.
Just down there.
Wake up every weekend, yeah. Why's it gotta be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention?
That's kind of sketchy, not gonna lie. This shit's steamy. You guys think I could survive a bear attack? I don't know, man. I'm built different. If you scream at a bear, it'll run away.
Sometimes, if you're being chased, bears are awful at running downhill, and they will just trip and roll down the hill.
Isn't that what koalas do? Or maybe not koalas, pandas.
Yes, they fall out of trees all the time.
Child.
I saw a video of someone who put a camera on the cat's collar
Hmm.
and found out it looks like 6 other cats.
For some reason, when she mentioned hot springs, I thought of like the ones in Japan. So like I was thinking these are gonna be more like onsens rather than like a stream. I don't know why I was. It's what they are in Japan, like little like hot pools.
Oh, there's some like that.
I visually pictured the pools being deeper.
Yeah, this was kind of just like a part of the river. Like it wasn't bad. It was definitely more shallow than I thought it would be.
Wait.
What you got there?
Oh no.
TJ!
I kind of regret not jumping in the river, but at the same time, I don't want my dick to be half an inch long. Yeah, but they come in close to cuddle for warmth when they're cold. No, they stay inside you forever.
Why does it matter if they go in?
Do I need to get a YouTuber thumbnail? I don't think I've ever used that in a thumbnail.
20 things most people don't see in the woods.
What's
Crack
your
dog.
What's your YouTuber face? What's your thumbnail face? 5 tips you didn't know. You'll never believe what I saw. Well, we finally made it back.